Good day mga boys. So yeah, we do a data session today, no? Our client is from New York, USA. So, ang gawin natin pesa today is Bahay Kubo, no? It's iconic Bahay Kubo ni Lola, ni boss, no? So, yeah. Ito is per request po ni boss. So, yan po yung finished product, no? Bahay Kubo. Yan. So may ninagay namin na stars, no, as a symbolize as a Philippine flag, no, na 3 stars and the sun. So Bahay Kubo is bahay po nila, no, sa family ng lola niya. So yan ang pinalagay ni boss. So si boss is from Pulang Batu, no, dito sa Cebu, but origin doon siya na sa USA, sa New York po. So yan po yung finished product. Again, thank you so much, sir, for trusting me. Yan po. Thank you and God bless. See you next time.